here it is. All the pine gone. Started at 10:30. That's water, I guess. And that's the back of my AC return unit. All that insulation is going to be taken out, and roll insulation put back down, and sheetrock tomorrow. Ooh, scary but exciting. Okay, so this is day 2, all the pine gone and new insulation, and now we've got new sheetrock on one wall and on the top of this wall, not on the bottom yet, and then we've got this wall done, all sheetrock, and this wall is ready to be insulated. And that big arch board ready to be put up next. Today is Monday, January 17th. This is day 3. I think that part of the wall behind that piece of sheetrock is all sheetrock behind it. That's just an extra piece of sheetrock laying on top of the sheetrock. So this whole wall is sheetrock. I've not cleaned up in here because there's no need to. I mean, you would be cleaning every single night, and I'm not gonna mop and sweep and clean this place every night because I just got through working. Here is the only wall, the bottom half, that lacks sheetrock, and then that's an extra piece of sheetrock again laying against the corner that's fully sheetrocked. So, another day's worth of progress. Yay!